Okay, this video I have to show you to open up your coffee machine. You have to take this one out, the front cover, the side, and the top, to be able to locate the problem or the missing or broken hose inside. That's why it's leaking. First you have to take out this coffee grinder. There's 3 screws over here. Take the whole thing out, and also the water tank, and I already take out all the screws, and take out the screws here, one here, one here, one here. There's one on the bottom. Once you do that, this thing will come out. Okay, on this side there's 3 screws on the bottom, one over here. Able to do that. Take this one apart. I already took out the screws. Okay, once you take that one out and this one, you have to push it and turn to the left. This one's came out, and there's 2 screws over here. You have to take it out to able to take this one out. And now there's screws over here, here, and here, same as the other side. Once you unscrew all this, you have to take this one out. There's screws here and screws here, and there's one here, and there's one over here. Once you take that one out, this thing came out, and there's one screws here. Take that one out. Once you take that one out, we'll be back on part 2 on this video.